What if your AI idea could reach the world? Welcome to the USAII's Global AI Hackathon 2026, a global online challenge where students build real AI solutions that matter. This isn't small, this is global. Over 500,000 students reached worldwide, more than 20,000 estimated registrations, over 1,200 teams competing, from 50-plus countries across the globe. This is huge! You'll build real AI projects, not just learn theory. Compete in teams of up to 5. Collaborate across countries. Present to global judges. You'll choose your challenge. AI for education, health, productivity, or social impact. No prior hackathon experience? That's exactly why this exists. Compete for a $15,000 plus prize pool. Win category awards and earn scholarships for globally recognized USAII AI certifications. This isn't just about winning, it's about building something real, strengthening your portfolio, standing out for college or careers, and becoming part of a global AI movement. The future of AI won't wait, and it won't build itself. Pre-register now. Join thousands of students building what's next.